Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing this set of microphones from Boya. The set includes the Boya BY-M1 and the Boya BY-MM1. On the front of the box, we have an image of the mic itself. As we can see, this is a lapel mic or a lavalier mic. On the bottom left, we have the different devices that this mic is compatible with. It includes smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, and camcorders. On the right hand side of the package, we have an illustration of the mic in use branding. We see the same on the left hand side of the package as well. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. On the back, we have the key highlights of features and some of the specifications of this microphone. The features include a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLRs, and camcorders. We have already gone through this. The microphone is omnidirectional and of the condenser type. It's a high-quality condenser and is ideal for video use. It has low handling noise. It also includes a lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam windscreen, and 1/4-inch adapter. In terms of specifications, it has an electric condenser, that is its transducer. The polar pattern is omnidirectional. The frequency range is 65 Hz to 18 kHz. The signal to noise ratio is 74 decibels. The sensitivity is -30 decibels with a variance of ±3 decibels at 0 dB being at 1 volt. The output impedance is 1000 ohms or less. The connector type is a 3.5 mm jack. It's a 4-pole gold plug. The accessories included in the box are the lapel clip. We have already gone through this. The battery type is LR44. The microphone's dimensions are 18 mm by 8.3 mm by 8.3 mm and the cable length is 6 meters. In terms of weight, the microphone is 2.5 grams and the power module is 18 grams. What we get in this box is some literature in the form of this quick start guide and instruction manual. This should help you get started with using the product and understanding its various functions and buttons. Next up, we have this warranty card that you can fill up to avail the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Next, we have this quality certification card as well. We also get a 3.5 mm to 6.35 mm adapter and a foam wind protector. This goes on to the microphone to protect it and also so that it does not pick up a lot of the wind and breeze noises. We have this lapel mounting clip as well, and we get the battery that we can use with this product. Lastly, we have this microphone. We have the 3.5 mm jack right here with and as we can see, it is the TRRS kind of adapter. The wire, as we know, is 6 meters long. Coming to the power module, that too has some Boya branding on it. It also has a clip so that it can be mounted to your waist. And it has this switch. You can set it to either camera mode or smartphone mode. And then we have the microphone. As you can see, it is pretty small and compact. And we will keep the foam windshield on it. Lastly, we have this Boya branded carrying pouch for all the accessories and the microphone as well. Now let's move on to the Boya BY-MM1. At the bottom, we can see the devices that it is compatible with. It is the same as we saw on the Boya BY-M1. It is compatible with smartphones, tablets, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders, and audio recorders. It is compact and lightweight, and it is a directional mic. It has a rugged metal construction, it does not require any battery, and it has a professional furry windshield included. Its specifications include the polar pattern being of the cardioid kind, a frequency response of 35 to 18 kHz with a variance of plus or minus 3 decibels, a sensitivity of minus 42 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 1 decibel, a signal to noise ratio of 76 decibels SPL. The plug type is the 3.5 mm TRS and TRRS. The dimensions are 22 by 81 mm and the net weight is 86 grams. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. In the box, we get some literature. Here we have a warranty card. Again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. We get some Boya stickers and we get this quick start guide in multiple languages to get you started off with using the device. We also have this quality assurance certificate. This is the clip mount in which you can attach the microphone, and as you can see, there is a 1/4" mount on the underside of it. We also get two 3.5 mm audio cables, and this one right here is the TRS to TRRS kind, and it is approximately 12 inches in length. The other 3.5 mm cable is the TRS to TRS kind, as we can see right here. This in its most compressed state is a little less than 12 inches long. Next up, we have this Boya branded traveling case in which we can put the mic and all its accessories. Coming to the highlight, which is the microphone, we can see that it has a furry windshield. We can remove it by pulling it out. The inside is rubberized, so it stays nice and secure. The microphone itself is approximately 3 inches long. We can see the Boya BY MM1 branding on it. The front has a metal mesh, and we can see that mesh on the sides as well through these slots. Under the microphone, we have a 3.5 mm port, and we can just simply put the jack inside and start using the microphone. So this has been the unboxing of the Boya microphone set, which includes the BY-MM1 and the BY-M1 microphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.